Hello everyone, this is Naj, and here we go. As I've promised, my top 10 in both games has filled up. Now before I actually show you the scores, I'm gonna talk about my high school recording systems have changed a little bit. See, what I do is that I don't want to go into the game and just show you and tell you how many portals and things I got because I don't remember. So what I did was I recorded every single high score. I mean, not high score, but just the scores that I made after beating every game. I made a line for every single one of them in a document called Troop High Scores Stats for Videos.txt. And in there's two lines for each game. I mean, each game for that specific game. Like, it's either 1.5 or 1.6. So I have a category 1.5 in the first set of lines and 1.6 in the last set of lines. And I keep the top 10 on there with stats, as in 1.5, how many portals I got, and 1.6, how many portals and points I got. There's one instance where in 1.6 there are two scores that are the same, so I had to just leave that in random order. The one at the top is the one I played last, because what I do, of course, it's not 5 points accurately the same, but I only make it up to the thousands, so I do 3 digits and then 0, 0, 0, because I don't care about the rest. I'm not specific. And yes, I know there may be times where it's almost, where it's like very specific and the score is like the same, like it just happened there. I'm gonna decide on which one I put first, but I don't really need to decide anyway. So here we go. I'm going to turn this computer up a little bit so you can hear it. 1.5. So let's start with 1.5. 453,000 portals. So I got that already. That didn't change. And then here are the other scores that I got. 420,000 3 portals. 3 portals with 420,000 points. 343,000 2 portals. 343,000 and 342,000 2 portals. Both of them 2 portals. 286,000 1 portal. And there's one. 284,000 1 portal. 280,000 1 portal. 273,000 1 portal. 236,000. And of course these ones. 236,000 0 portals. 229,000 0 portals. 229 is the lowest.
Speech on. At Apple this. Close button. At Apple this. Use the rotor to switch using Revenue 1, and you should see this behavior go away 3/3. Close button. Close. Speech off.
Let me get rid of that.
1.6.
Okay, so we're done with those. Now 1.6 is kind of interesting because this happened.
675,000. Heroic death. All portals used. 5 portals. 60,000 points.
What I mean by heroic death is that every time I use more than 3 portals, I didn't have more than 3 smart bombs in the whole game, and I died, losing all 3 lives. That is called a heroic death, because, you know, it took a lot of time to make it up to that point, and I used 5 portals with 675,000 and 60,000 extra points.
5 portals. 60,000 points.
And here are the other ones, which are not bad, but you know.
664,000 4 portals. 120,000 points. 624,000 3 portals. 100,000 points. 604,000 3 portals. 70,000 points. 599,000 3 portals. 120,000 points. 2 portals. 402 portals. 70,000 points.
I think I messed that up a little
3
bit.
portals. 120. 599,000. 604,000 624,000 664,000 4 portals. 599,000 3 2 portals. 70,000 points. 490,000 2 portals. 30,000 points. 477,000 2 portals. 20,000 points. 427,000 0 portals. 120,000 points.
Oh god.
347,000 0 427,000 347,000
yeah.
0 portals. 20,000 points. Blank.
Okay, so
347,000 427,000 2 portals. 477,000 2 portals. 490,000 2 portals. 3 portals. 120,000 points. 599,000.
there's one missing. I'm gonna have to take a look at that one. Let me open troopanum 1.6.
Apple list troopanum 1. Troopanum 1.613 of secure desktop.
Wrong password.
Program map.
You are now running DirectX 8 or later.
I actually think... Okay, let me see what happened. Wait.
Speak. No power mode. Button. Close. Button.
Screw you.
Close. Speech off.
I think I know why that's happening. Let me
Caps lock. The CTR. Asterisk. Troopanum 1.
let me
Coordinate menu.
load the game
Asterisk. Secure desktop.
in this condition again to see if it does the error again.
You are now running DirectX 8 or later.
Yep. It does it no matter what you do.
Asterisk.
Well,
Troopanum
I mean,
1.613.
no,
Coordinate.
it
Program
does
secure
it
desktop.
in a certain condition.
Program manager. Troopanum.
It works now. Okay, let me check the scores.
Use your oven.
That is all data for Troop High Score stats for videos. Troop.
Speech. Learn.
675, 664, 624, 604, 599, 490,000.
Troop High Score stats for videos. Judges M206. Troop High 3 portals 70,604,000.
Wait.
3 portals 100,000. 620. 600. 599,000. 2 portals 70,000 points. 490,000. 2 portals 70,000 points. 4 2 portals 30,000. 4 2 portals 70,000.
Okay.
Lag.
Okay, I know why. Let me,
500, 490,000, 785, 490,000, 785 points.
Wait. This may be the first time in existence that I've had the same exact score. That's surprising. Like, very surprising. I never would have thought that it would be the same exact score again. I mean, one with 70,000, one with 30,000, yes, but that's just the points I got. But the actual score is the same.
490,000, 785, 477, 490,000, 785, 490,000, 785.
Use your oven. Start
So that's
game.
why that's there.
Thanks for playing.
So that is my high scores, and they're not bad, but they're not good either. So when I play the games,
At Apple this. Close. At Apple this. RT at Mac rumors. Close.
I don't
Button.
care.
Close. Speech
Not
off.
right now. Sorry for actually checking what's in the tweets, but I just want to know. But there's one more thing I want to show you. No, the speed rounds did not change their scores. The time I played the first two games, my high scores were done. 128 and 114 didn't change at all. But I did add two more things in the course of the time that I was messing around with this.
2 portals
And
70,000 points.
is in this other
File
file
sub menu.
right
That is all data. Gold wave
here.
204. Document mark 304. Document. Troopanum again 505. Troop 15 16. Missed high scores 3.
Missed high scores. There's,
Speed round 15. 128. 16. 114.
and then there's this.
Meteorites.
I want to see how many meteorites I can get in the bonus round for each game.
15. 25. 16. 25.
They all have 25 right now. And there's also
Lunar lifters.
how many lunar lifters I can shoot in a game.
15. 58. 16. 51.
I don't know why, but 15 has a lot more. I mean, 1.5 has a lot more lunar lifters. Had a lot more lunar lifters in that game.
Lag. Lag.
I average from 40. Most of the time it's just like 40 something. 44, 49, you know, that kind of stuff. So I can improve on those as well, if I need to. Or if I check on the stats every single time I play a game just to see if I improved on anything. And then I write the line in the document. So that was very surprising. I didn't know that I had two entries of the same exact point value in the high score list. But I don't know if that's going to be shoved out at any point. It probably will be, considering there's 490,785. I mean, it's not a very high score. If I get a lot of 600,000s and probably 700, 800, 900,000s, maybe, it'll get shoved out pretty easily, but that's going to take months. So, yeah, it's not going to be easy. If I play one game every day of everything, then it's going to be harder. I may play one, I may play two, it just depends. But I won't play anymore because I played 3 today just to make the video on time. So, that was it. And, I don't actually know when I'm gonna post videos. I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to post a video every time I get 5 new and higher scores added to the list. It's going to be harder and harder as time goes on, but when I'm starting out, it's not going to be hard at all because most of the lower scores that I have are just 0 portals, so I can, you know, play the game and get more portals and replace the existing score. So, I'm gonna take a look, well, not take a look, but get more, things in there, too. Well, that's all the high score things there is that I can say right now. I did my 10 games, my first 10 games, and it was fun. It's gonna be fun. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and, goodbye for now.